Hello everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I've got a very exciting unboxing to share with you guys today. If you're looking for a pair of shoes that looks exactly like the Adidas SAMBA shoes, these pair of shoes will be perfect for you. If you want to know what that pair of shoes looks like, please continue to watch it. I just got this pair of shoes when I walked around Lane Crawford a few days ago. I haven't planned to get new pair of shoes anytime soon, but when I walked past it, I just absolutely love it. Let's have a look at this pair of shoes. This is what the box looks like. This pair of shoes is from the collaboration between Adidas and SAMBA for the Mute. This is the detail of the box. For shoes, I usually wear a UK size 8, but for this pair of shoes, I got a UK size 8.5. Let's have a look at it together. Inside the box, it is so different from the traditional Adidas box, and there is a message from the brand SAMBA for the Mute. Let me read out for you guys. A long-form story, a male and female cast, seasons as chapters, never one the same, narratives with beautiful fabrics and experimental process. Interesting. I actually have never heard of this brand before, so let's see what is it inside. Again, it's so different. It is not the traditional tissue paper. It's really beautifully wrapped. So this is a pair of shoes that I got. I believe this is the country OG style, but of course this is in collaboration with another brand. The one that I have is in the color grey. Inside the box, we've got another lace, which is in the color grey. Let's have a look at the detail of the shoes. As you can see, this pair of shoes is made of so many different materials. For the most part of the shoes, it is made of nylon, which is this part here. And this part here as well. And then on the front, it is made of leather, and on the back as well. I'm wondering if it is the logo for SAMBA for the Mute. I'm not sure. For the part here is made of suede, including the 3 Adidas stripes. However, for these 3 stripes here, it is made of other materials. And then for the lace, it is also very interesting. So as you can see, this pair of shoes looks very much like the Adidas SAMBA, but of course the shape of it is a little bit different. However, for this part here, it is exactly the same. I haven't planned to buy any shoes anytime soon. However, when I went to Lane Crawford a few days ago, when I walked past this pair of shoes, I think it is really beautiful, and I thought to myself, it is a very good alternative to the Adidas SAMBA that I've worn so many times for the past few years. Although this year I haven't worn the Adidas SAMBA shoes this much, but this pair of shoes looks so beautiful, and I really love that not a lot of people wear this pair of shoes. That's why I got this pair of shoes in the end. When I got this pair of shoes for this particular size, UK 8.5, only one of them was available. That's why I got it immediately. And I also did have a look on the internet, and this pair of shoes is a bit hard to get, especially for my particular size. I got this pair of shoes for 1,299 Hong Kong dollars. Considering the design of it, I think it's worth every penny. But of course, I have to see whether this pair of shoes is really comfortable in the few upcoming months. Although I have already tried on this pair of shoes a couple of times and I find it really comfortable, but I will keep you guys updated. For this pair of shoes, it comes in 3 different colors. The one that I have is in the color grey, and another one is blue, and then another one is black. I would say the blue and the black one, it is not the best colorway. That's why there is still a lot of sizes available. However, for this one, it almost sold out for every single sizes. That's why I think if you can find these pair of shoes in your size, maybe you can really go and try it on and see if you guys love it. I think this pair of shoes does look very nice with wide leg trousers and shorts as well, which is what I love to wear in the summer. That's why I'm very happy with this purchase. Now I will try it on for you guys so that you guys can have a look and see what it looks on me. there you have it. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you guys love this sort of video, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.